Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this Fierce and Flawless all-in-one compact from SHANY. I'm assuming that's what it's called. So it's called Fierce and Flawless all-in-one compact. So yeah, and here is like how it looks like on camera. So this is how it looks like. This is how it's supposed to look like. And my mom gave me this, so thank you. so this is called upside down. Sorry, this camera's so confusing. So my mom bought this from me from Amazon. I really can't show it. So yeah, let's just like get into it. So like before I unbox like using scissors, remember always have a guardian to watch you whenever using like scissors, like sharp scissors. Like yeah, so yeah, remember someone is okay, so my mom is watching me from behind the scenes. So yeah, let's just get unboxing. So first, here's how I'm unboxing this. So okay, well, this is pretty hard.
It's gotta be the other way around.
Alright, perfect. Alright, I got it. Let's get this out. Alright, wow. I love how they like put in foam in there so it's like safe, So yeah. And let's just get this out. Wow, this is beautiful. Alright, so let me take this out of here, like really carefully. Alright, so here's how it looks like. Oh my god, upside down again, wow. Okay. So here's how it looks like. Looks like this. And now let's unbox this thing. I'm sorry, that was loud. Headphone users warning. Yeah. Okay, let's open this. So first you gotta open up this, and this is kind of hard. Yeah. Oh. Okay. What? Wait, what?
Show it. Show them how you open it.
Okay, so this is the thing. Alright, that's pretty cool, that's really cool. So, I'm assuming this is, this is the lip gloss. This would be the contour. This is a blush. And I really want to open that one up. So, why did I not open it? Well, that's fine. Yeah. So, bruh, why can't I open it? It's so hard to open. Okay, gotta get my mom to open this for me. Mom, open this. Okay, so I opened it. Technical difficulty, so yeah. Let's try this out. Alright, so we have to take off this plastic, because like, we don't want that. We don't want plastic as our makeup. So let's start with our eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use black. So let's grab a little bit of that and then let's put it on. Well, I didn't get it down. Oh well, that's a lot. Yeah, I suck at this. I mean, it's not bad, but like it's bad.
It looks a little bit too dark. Let's bring the mirror, okay? Because I thought that had a mirror and it just has like a
clear thing.
Transparent plastic, so
oh my gosh, I literally got makeup on my nose. Oh. Okay, so I know this is a lot of makeup, but like my mom lets me do it. Wow, I don't like this. I'm so bad at doing my other eye. Like, I'm not a left person. I'm a right person. Well, that sucks. Yeah, that looks horrible. Okay, so I kind of like this product because I like the lip glosses. I haven't even used them, but they look cool, they look cool. And yeah, so next we're gonna move on to the blush. So, oh wait, should I do contour first? Yeah, let's do contour first. Okay. So, I'm assuming it's like, oh, where do I start? I don't even know. Okay. Oh Lord, yeah. No thanks, no thanks, no thanks, no thanks. This really sucks. Like, this is hard. I'm not a professional, okay? I'm not a professional, so don't hate on my videos, please. Yeah, that's hard. You know what? Alright. Okay. So I'm assuming I did it pretty good. You know, I know I did it horrible, but it's fine. I tried.
It's beautiful.
You know, this is not a tutorial, okay? This is not a tutorial. Now let's move on to blush. Oh wow. Yep, I'm using a mirror. Don't mind me. Alright, so let's use this. And now the trend where you put blush on your nose, it's a trend, okay? No, just, yeah. It's trendy, so doing it, no. So yeah, okay, so now I think it's time for lip gloss, right? Yeah, let's do lip gloss. So I'm assuming this is the one that you use when you're using lip gloss. So let's do this. Alright, let's see. Alright, so by the way, this was the contour I was using, this was the blush I was using, and this is the lip gloss I'm about to use. So let's just put it on, you know. Alright, so I guess you just put it on your lips, alright? Yeah, I just put it on your lips. Okay, I'm not the best at makeup. Really not the best at makeup, so yeah. Sorry I'm really quiet.
I think you're great. I think it just takes a little bit of practice at home and just rock it.
Rock it, what?
Because with or without makeup, you still look beautiful.
I know, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so yeah, let's just do this. Alright, so this is how you close it. And by the way, this is my makeup. It's horrible, I know. Okay, so let's close this up. And then we're going to close this one. And that's pretty much all. Okay, so remember to subscribe to my channel. Satan will be under your bed. So, yeah. Okay, remember to subscribe to my channel. It's SHANY Plays. It's a Z. And IISUNNY. PLAZII. I'm gonna go grab tissue. This looks horrible. Okay, so it's not that I don't like the makeup. It's that I need practice, really.
And you look beautiful.
Okay, so have a happy holiday. I hope you don't get in this makeup mess like I did. Love the makeup kit. See y'all next time, and do not get in this makeup mess. It's bad, okay?